Hello everyone. So in the last class we have seen how we can read any images with the help of OpenCV in Python, right? So today we'll continue with the same. First we need to import the library. So today what we are going to do, we are going to apply some geometrical shapes on the images. Let's suppose if we have seen somewhere like in a security system, if someone wants to detect the face of a person, right? So there will be some like geometrical rectangle around the face, or there will be some square around the face, or maybe sometimes there will be some circle around the face, right? So let's see how we can draw these things on the images and videos, right? First we'll see on the images. So first we need to import OpenCV module. So first let's read any images. So let's suppose here I want to image cv2 dot imread. As I already explained you in the last class, this methods will help you to read the images, and I'll read the same images apple dot jpg, right? After this, first let's display the images. After this, then I'll apply them. So as we know, with the help of IamShow method, you can display the images, and inside this there will be two arguments. First will be the name of the window on which images will be pop up, and second will be the images here, this variable where I have stored the images, right? And then at the end you need to write down cv2 dot wait key, right? And here I'll pass 0. 0 means like if I like click on the cross cancel button, then it will disappear, right? And then I'll pass cv2 dot destroy all windows, right? Okay, let's first run this one. Yeah, everything is working fine. So first let's resize the size of these images. Let's see how we can do it. I'll write cv2 dot, then I'll call one method resize. With the help of this method you can select the height and width of the images. So in this you need to pass two arguments. First will be on which images you want to apply this method. So I want to apply this resize method on these images I am image. So I'll write the name, and then here you need to pass down the tuple. Tuple means height, width and height of the images. Let's suppose for now I am passing 400 comma 400 height and width. Let's see if I run this one, either it's working. Okay, so it's not working because what you need to do after applying these images, you need to store inside some variable. Let's suppose like this. And now let's see if I run this one. Yeah, it's working fine, right? Now you can see the size, height and width of the images is changed, right? One more thing, it's not compulsory you need to pass down the same name over here. Let's suppose if I pass img, right? And then here I want to display this resized images, so I'll write the same name img over here, right? Now if I run this one, yeah, you can see the size is resized. One more thing, let's suppose if I pass 500 over here for to check which one is height, which one is width. So you can see first argument is the width of the images and second argument is the height of the images. Hope all of you understand how you can resize the images with the help of this resize method, right? Now let's move ahead and let's see how we can draw some geometrical shapes on the images. First we'll see how we can draw a line, right? So for that you need to call one method cv2 dot line, and here you need to pass two arguments. First, where you want to draw this line. So I want to draw on this images img, so I'll write the name img comma. Second argument will be the point. See, as you know, if you want to draw a line, you need to pass down the starting point and the end point, right? So let's suppose this will be the value of x and y. Here I am passing, this will be 100 comma, let's suppose 100. This is my starting point x and y, and second will be 200 comma 200. This is my end point, right? And third will be you need to pass down the color, and this OpenCV will accept the color in the form of BGR, right? Like blue, green and red. So let's suppose for now I want to pass 255 comma 0. It means I want to high green. I want to make the line of green color. And last argument will be the thickness of the line. Let's suppose for now I am passing 5, right? Now let's see if I run this one. Okay, you can see a line is drawn. So see, this is your point 200 comma 100 and this is 200 comma 200. See, in this OpenCV, right? So it will start point from here. So this is your 0 comma 0, and from here you can check. If you go this side, you can increase the value of x-axis. If you go down, you can increase the value of y-axis. So this value will be 100 comma 100 and this is 200. It means from here the value of x is 200, from here the value of y is 200, right? So, and the color is green 100. Let's see thickness. If I pass 10, right, you can see the thickness will be increased. Yeah, you can see now the thickness is increased. You can also change the color. If I pass 255 over here and make this one 0, right? And again if I run this one, okay, you can see now the color is blue because I told you it will accept the format in the form of Bezier. Like first represents blue, second green, and third red. Hope all of you understand how you can draw the line. Let's move to the rectangle. This is okay. So for that you need to call the rectangle method. Again, first parameter where you want to draw this geometry rectangle. So I want to draw on the images. Here also the first point will be, see, as you know, in the rectangle there will be four vertices. Like, so first you need to pass on the first vertices and uh, then the opposite of the first vertices, right? So let's suppose this I am passing 50 comma 100, right? And then second I'll pass this, I am passing 200 comma 200, right? And again fourth argument will be the color. This time I'm taking 25, and then next will be the thickness of the boundary, right? Let's see if I run this one. Yeah, you can see a rectangle is drawn. So this point is 50 comma 100. You can see from x it's 50 and from y it's 100, right? And second argument is the 100 comma 200. So this will be your 100 comma 200, right? So in this way, sorry, 200 comma 200, this one, right? So in this way you can draw. One more thing, see, right now we have made this rectangle, right? If you want to fill the color inside this rectangle, what you, instead of here any number, you can pass -1. It means now I want to fill the color, right? So if I run this one, you can see a red color is filled inside this geometry. So in any geometry, if you want to fill the color inside, you can pass -1 over here, right? Let's see one more thing, that is circle. If I want to draw a circle, so again first argument where you want to draw the circle, second is where will be the center of the circle. This time here let's suppose I'm taking 300 comma 300. At this point I want to draw the circle, and now there will be a radius of the circle. Let's suppose this I am passing 50. Again, next argument will be the color. This time I'm taking 250 comma 250 comma 0. I want to make some new color, right? And next will be the thickness. Let's suppose here I'm passing 3. If I run, yeah, you can see a circle is made. So this is the center of the circle, that is 300 comma 300, and radius you can take as per your own choice. Here I have taken 50, you can take 100, 200, 10, anything, right? If you want to fill the color inside this circle, so instead of 3 you can pass -1 over here, right? Let's see if I run this. Now you can see a color is filled. Hope all of you understood like how you can draw any geometry on any images, right? So just take your own images and apply these methods on different geometry coordinate points, right? So that's all from this class. I'll see you in the next class. Bye everyone. Thank you.